Welcome to Trading Sadhguru. What a roller coaster ride it has been, both in Nifty and Bank Nifty today. Today was both weekly expiry as well as a monthly May series expiry for options, futures and options. So let us recall what we had discussed yesterday. Yesterday we placed few lines saying that this is the range within which Nifty is moving. So on the upper side, the level was around 16,400. On the lower side, we had drawn two levels. 16,000 is the one level, and another one, the bottom level, 15,800, 760 or 800. So this is what we were discussing yesterday. So as we discussed yesterday, as soon as Nifty reaches, if there is a minor gap up and gives up the gains, and if it is near 16,400 or 16,350, we should be shorting. We should take a trade on the downside, and this worked well in the first half of the trading session, and it gave healthy returns both in Nifty and Bank Nifty. And in the second session, post noon session, if you look at it, the market has reversed from the lows, and it has crossed our earlier trading range. Dow Nifty is within the trading range, earlier mentioned trading range. Bank Nifty has crossed that range. So what can we expect from Nifty for tomorrow? So you can say that Dow 15,000, 16,000 is broken today. Nifty has recovered, and in a couple of days you may expect to see 16,400, breach of 16,400 on the upper side, and then filling of this unfilled gap. There is a gap here, so it is most likely that this gap is filled in this month itself. So we can expect for few days first test of this level, breach of which you will see that previous high will be breached comfortably, and this low is tested. So on the positive side, 16,400 and then 16,600 you can look for. So on the bottom side, 16,000 is acting as a strong support, 16,100 and 16,000, 15,900 in worst case scenario from now on. So our bias would remain positive, since the closure of this month is on the positive end. You may see slight reversal during intraday tomorrow, but overall in a couple of days we will be looking for higher levels. So if you look at today's action, intraday action, this is a 5 minutes time frame chart of Nifty. You can see that there was a slight gap up, and the gains of the gap up were given comfortably within the first half itself. So you can see from post noon, from this level, market has taken a direction on the upper side, and it closed near the highs of the day around 16,200. So this is a Bank Nifty chart, 1-day chart of Bank Nifty. Let us recall what we had discussed yesterday and analyze. So yesterday we were discussing about 34,800 levels on the top side, and on the bottom side 33,200, and one more level in between 34,000 around 100. See, we were expecting if there was a gap up around 34,700 to 800, we would like to look for a trade on the opposite side, that is on the put side, and this worked very well till noon, that is 12 o'clock, and post which this did not work out, and Bank Nifty has taken reversal from there, and those people who might have initiated trades based on our view early in the morning would have made good amount of money in their first few trades till 12 o'clock. So once this 34,800, 820 level is broken comfortably and sustained for more than 5 to 10 minutes, the next step due was filling up of this gap, this gap. So here the level was the low of this red candle was 35,133. So this gap is filled, and Bank Nifty closed near to that level. So being a Friday, either market may take a continuous upside direction, or it may give up some gains made, say 150 to 200 points of the gains made today being an expiry day, and from there it again starts moving upward. So for the whole May month, the range was around roughly 34,800 to 33,200. On the last day of the series, May expiry, so this range is broken out, and clearly it filled the gap and closed above this 34,800 levels. So this is a sort of a reversal sign, and tomorrow closing plays an important role in deciding whether we should go for a bullish trade or a bearish trade going into the month of June. So tomorrow is going to be a crucial day, and closure of tomorrow will decide for us to take a trade. So those who can't wait, so better to take a trade on the bullish side, considering that the range is broken out. Those who have confirmation, then they can wait for tomorrow's closure and then decide what to do with June month series. So the natural way from here, it appears that if it is sustained, if 34,800 level is sustained and not breached again, so we may look for levels of in a shorter time frame, say around 15 days. In within 15 days, we may even see 35,600 and then 36,600. These levels are very much possible in this month, in this month, that is expiry month of June. So tomorrow is going to be an important day for us to take positions on monthly side. Those who are day traders, then they may make use of the intraday moves if there is a gap up. So sustenance of gap up means you are going to go higher. If market gives up, then you wait till bottom is formed and then you take a trade. So here I'm not giving the numbers for tomorrow's expiry because you need to have these levels in mind. 34,800 as a will act as a support. So the levels that we would be looking is 35,600, and in a shorter term, say in a couple of days or a couple of weeks, you may even see 36,600. So keeping this in mind, we have to plan our intraday trades, and during the weekend I'll be providing the levels for this month, June month, and for now we should be looking at 35,600. If there is a gap down and 34,800 is broken and sustained, then our earlier range remains valid. Accordingly, you may take trades. So take care. Bye bye.